Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we start the revision class
Yes, ma'am.
of block 5, which is cultivating crops. Okay, let's start with the first lesson, the steps for the crop cultivation, that means crop production. Okay, who will tell me about the first step? Jesse,
Plowing.
can you detailedly explain me what do you mean by that?
Ma'am, plowing means loosening the soil so that the seeds can get air.
Air and only air?
No, ma'am, oxygen also.
Air means oxygen, oxygen means air. Other than that,
Water.
water. Very good. Now, Ishan, let's continue with Ishan. Ishan, can you tell me what is the second step? Second step, Ishan.
Sowing.
So, what do you mean by sowing? How you have to do?
Ma'am, in sowing, we will sow the seeds in the soil.
Okay. What is the third step? Next, sit down, please. Yes, Akshara, third step.
Ma'am, weeding.
Before that.
Manuring.
Very good. Can you say loudly?
Manuring.
Now, what do you mean by manuring? Why it is important? What do you mean by manuring, beta? Generally, you say, what do you mean by manuring? What is done in that step, manuring?
Chemicals to the plants.
Chemicals or fertilizers? Applies fertilizers to the soil. So, in the fertilizers, which three ingredients are very important for the soil?
Ma'am, nitrogen.
Nitrogen, phosphorus.
And potassium.
Very good. Now, coming to the next step, which is fourth step. Please sit down, beta. Fourth step. Yes, Ishani. Fourth step.
Irrigation.
Irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation?
Ma'am, we will keep sprinklers and we will water the plants.
Okay. Other than sprinklers, what is the other way of watering the plants? Other than sprinklers, there is a way so that we can water the plants. We have shown you the picture. Some irrigation. Drip irrigation. Very good. Now coming to the fifth step. Sridhar, will you say the fifth step? Yeah.
Harvesting.
No. Harvesting is the last step.
Weeding.
Weeding. What do you mean by weeding?
Taking the plants that are not needed.
Can we say unwanted plants? Yes? Removing the unwanted plants from the field, from the agriculture field. Very good. Or then who will say the last one? Yes, Gautam.
Harvesting.
What do you mean by harvesting?
There are fully grown
Crops.
crops and cutted and gathered.
Very good. Now, sit down. So these are the steps to be followed to grow the crops, right? There are 6 steps. Now that was your first lesson. Yes? Now moving on to the second lesson, which is types of crops. What are the different types of crops based on seasons? Again, shall we go line wise? Yes. Come on, Stacy.
Kharif and Rabi.
What is the difference between them? So, which season is Kharif? Which season is Rabi crops?
Ma'am, Kharif means monsoon crops, ma'am, and Rabi means winter crops.
Okay. Okay. Now, who will tell me more about the Kharif crops, that is monsoon crops? When they are sown, when they are harvested, examples of it. Shan, can you tell me more about the monsoon crops, Kharif crops?
Ma'am, kharif crops are sown in June and July months and harvested in September and October months.
Okay, can you give some examples for that?
Millets, rice, groundnuts.
Very good, thank you. Now, Akshara, tell me about rabi crops. That is winter crops. When they are sown?
And they are sown in October or November.
Very good.
They are harvested in March or April.
Very good. Can you give some examples, please?
Mustard.
Mustard? Yes, mustard. Okay, very good. Now, who will tell me about the other crops? Yes, Ishani?
And zeal crops.
Okay. So, when they are.
They are sown in March and April.
And when they are harvested?
And they are harvested in June or July.
Okay. Can you name some examples? No. Mango comes under rabi crops. Okay, because in the summer only you will get. In the month of April, May only you will get your fruits. That means when they are harvested in the month of March or April, they are harvested, right? So, we are sowing in the month of March and we are getting in the June. That means by the end of June, you will not have mangoes only, right? In the month of May only you will get mangoes. So, think about which are sown in the March and harvested in June. Huh? Cucumber, very good. Cucumber, and one more can you add? Which is big in size. Watermelon, very good. So this is about your second lesson, children. Now coming to your third lesson, please sit down now. Coming to your third lesson, which is organic and inorganic fertilizers. Who will tell me about organic fertilizers? That will be the turn of Shritam, I guess, no? Yes, Shritam.
No, they have an unpleasant smell.
Organic fertilizers? Okay.
I mean, in organic, they must be.
No, tell me only about organic.
In organic, the plant will grow slowly, but it is very healthy.
Okay. You are telling me about the plants if we use organic. Tell me about how they are, how much they are used.
No, they are used in more quantities.
Large quantities, more quantities, and
No, it is hard to carry from one place to another.
it is difficult to transport, can we say? Okay. And
No, and they have.
what about the pollution?
No, they are not. They will not pollute the soil and water. God is living.
And
No, and
can we mix it easily in the water?
no,
That means what we have to say.
no, it is not soluble in water.
It is not soluble in water. Very good. Please sit down. Now Gautam will say about inorganic. Tell me about inorganic. How will be the smell of inorganic fertilizers?
It's very
Good smell?
bad.
Yes, Akshara.
And it also smell of chemicals.
Okay. What else we can add? Sit down, Gautam.
Man, it is not soluble in water.
No, it is soluble in water. It can easily soluble in water. Mm.
Ma'am, it is easy to transport it.
Mm.
It is harmful for the soil and the water bodies.
Okay. That means it pollutes. Okay.
It needs small quantities.
Very good. Sit down, Mama. So this is about your organic and inorganic fertilizers. Yes. Now let's move to the lesson 4. Okay, which is good cultivation practices. Okay. Now let's start from this side. Ishani, Can you tell me any one good practice of cultivation?
Fencing.
Fencing. What do you mean by fencing?
Ma'am, we should fence all over the field, ma'am, so the animals can't go and eat all the crops.
Very good. Sit down. Sritam, can you tell something else other than fencing?
Ma'am, step farming.
Step farming on hills. Very good. Good. Sit down. Who else? Akshara, can you add one more?
Crop rotation.
Crop rotation is very, very important. What do you mean by crop rotation?
Ma'am, to grow the crop by...
You can use some examples to explain.
Example like rice that is grown in monsoon.
Mm.
After that we can grow another crops.
Why we need to do that?
Ma'am, it is a good practice for farmers.
Okay, it is a good practice for the farmers to rotate the crops. Very good. Anything else is left out, children? Stacy, you want to add anything else?
Ma'am, sowing.
Sowing the seeds. So how you can do that, sowing the seeds into a good cultivation process? What is that you need to maintain?
Ma'am, we need to maintain the distance of the seeds, ma'am.
In the sowing process?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we have to do that?
Ma'am, because if the seeds are sown close together, when the roots come out, the plant will have a competition to get nutrients and minerals.
From soil. Okay, there will be a competition. Very good. So sowing the seeds at regular distance is very, very important. Okay, good. Ishan, you want to add anything else? There are two more.
Harvesting. Harvesting means when they are fully grown, they will cut the crop.
Harvesting we know. How we have to do to make it a good cultivation practice, that you tell me. What should be used to harvest the crops? Why?
Because it will cut the crops correctly.
Properly. And also it saves the human efforts, right? Very good. And what else? The last one. Sit down. The last one. Yes, Akshara. Irrigation. Very good. How you have to do? Why you have to do?
Ma'am, the drip irrigation will give the correct amount to the plants.
Water to all the plants. That means watering the fields. Please sit down, Akshana. Watering the crops across the complete field is also very, very important. If you throw some water more at one place, less at one place, it might be difficult for the crops to get the water, right? So that's why irrigating the crops properly all over the field is also very important. For that you can use sprinklers or drip irrigation. Okay, so very good, children. Clap for yourself. Okay, thank you, children. Please sit down.